In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money watching videos. That's all you're going to do. Click and watch a video. Who doesn't enjoy watching videos? You're doing it actually right now, so you must actually like doing it. How would you like to get paid to do that? It's such a simple thing. I don't know why everyone in the world doesn't do it. Millions of minutes of content is uploaded to the internet and consumed daily, minute by minute by minute by minute. Just think of the massive amount of content there is out there, and companies will pay people to actually watch their stuff and review it. If you want to start making money by watching videos today, all you have to do is go to this website. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. I teach people how to make money online. So if you don't want to miss any opportunities, what's coming out next, make sure that you don't forget to do what I'm going to say next, which is actually go down below and find that little red button, click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're alerted the next time I come out with a piece of content after you implement what you're doing in this video. So today, we're talking about watching videos and making money. Doesn't everyone like to make a little extra money, especially passively, by just doing something like watching something on a screen? Is very simple to do. First thing you're gonna do is make sure you get to the end of this video, because I'm gonna give you an extra bonus on how you can make even more money passively and build an actual business at the end of the video. So stick around or you don't wanna miss this. So we're gonna go to this site, picoworkers.com. I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right, but it doesn't matter, it pays me. Let's jump on the computer and I'll show you how you can start implementing this right now. Now, to make this work, you need a PayPal account. Okay, so go to paypal.com if you don't have an account already. And you're gonna sign up over here. Sign up for free. Now, type in your mobile address, select the country you're from. You can click this button and it has a whole list of all the countries that they accept payments from. Select yours, enter in your information, and click next. It'll send you a confirmation code and you can continue. After that, there'll be an email where you enter in all your personal information, and then you can start receiving payments through this account. Okay, we're gonna go to picoworkers.com. This site is for small gigs and big results. It's for business owners and freelancers where they can ask people to help. They can create a short video, promote content, edit a photo or crypto jobs. And for freelancers, you can take surveys, write an honest review, test an app, or write an article. Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners, businesses who need other people to help them to support their work. Come to Pico Workers. And you can sign up to work for them. They accept payments in cryptocurrency and pay out in crypto as well, if you want to accept payments that way. It's a small tasks, small things that you have to do. Deliver work, get paid, okay? And here's Jim, right on the front page. You can see he made $31.98 doing small jobs. And you can also refer people, and I will leave a link where you can get started and earn a 5% referral. You can learn that down below. I'll leave it in the description of this video, along with my bonus. So what we're gonna do, this is money that people have actually made. Actual withdrawals, $13, $3, $1, $7, $10, $47. People from all around the world are doing this. Some are in crypto, some are in PayPal, LTC, Skrill, all sorts of, look at this guy, hustling, $293. If you're getting value from this video, make sure you click the like button and leave a comment below what country you're in so I can make more content to help you earn money where you live. Back to the content. So you'll go here, click sign up to get started, add your full name, your email address, password, a nickname, and then select your country in this list. You can just type it in from the United States. So I would just find that, United States. Sign up to Pico Workers and sign up. Okay. So you get 50 cents just for signing up. And you can see here, there's all the tasks that you can jump. There's multiple things that you can do here. Take a survey, download an app, YouTube marketing promotions. If you want to search for specific stuff, you say find job. Oh, let's see. If you want something specific, you're going to go to categories and scroll down and look for the category that you want. If you want to write surveys or any of that stuff, we want to watch videos. So we're going to go to YouTube, Vimeo, then Vivo, apply. So there's 2 right now that you can do here. Marshall promoting, let's see, YouTube marketing promotion, 2 tasks. You click on pays out 6 cents, 7-day rate. So you want to do this here. You scroll down and here's the tasks. What you're expected to work, you go through these tasks and then require your proof to get paid. And it's that simple. So I'm going to give you the truth about all this. You're not going to get rich doing this. You're just not. You can put a lot. You've seen that some people have made some decent money, but they put a lot of time and effort in to make 6 cents. And the reason I started getting into this business is to stop trading money for time. And I wanted to essentially spend more time with my family. And my entrepreneurial beginnings were really, I was just kind of a stoner. So I'm out to my friends, and I grew up and I started playing music for people and teaching guitar, and that was my first kind of forte where I was really actually coming out with some sort of success. And eventually I left it behind because I was trading too much time for money. Like, even though I was teaching, I still had a day job, but I didn't realize I didn't have the skills I needed to market and to sell and to find a good offer and to actually get it in front of the right people. And that's really when the rubber hits the road. And that's when you can really start to change things for your life and for your family and actually start generating things, generating income on the side. And the program that I went to actually taught me how to get in front of people, how to actually market, how to write an advertisement that I can set up and publish and let it do its thing while I'm going about my day, spending time with my family, running my errands, doing tasks for other people. It allows me to free up time and actually make money, almost passively. And you can get started with it. It's down in the description below. Just check it out. kevinjpino.com/success. It's the first link. You can check out Pico Workers down there too. And it costs you less than $10 to get started. You're going to learn how to write copy, how to find a good offer, how to present, and how to build a real online business from the comfort of your own home, live that laptop lifestyle, or maybe just start your own side hustle. Go check out the free video down there. You don't have to buy today, but check it out. What you can do next is click on that video right there if you want to learn more ways to make money online. There's that one, there's a recommended one, and right behind me, that's the subscribe button. But you should have already did that because I told you at the beginning of the video. Click it.